Man, stay away from Wurld.
Whatever, but I wouldn't like say that he does a good job.
Man, stay away from Wurld.
Whatever, but I wouldn't like say that he does a good job. Or
Man, stay away from Wurld.
But I wouldn't like say that he does a good job. Or
Man, stay away from Wurld News. I haven't even talked to him. Nouw must have told me what he's been saying.
But I wouldn't like say that he does a good job.
I haven't even talked to him. Nouw must have told me what he's been saying.
But I wouldn't like say that he does a good job. Or I did that on accident. I gave him the benefit of the doubt too many times. Just don't.
Nouw must have told me what he's been saying. The guy is hellbent. These people are hellbent and sick. Nouw must have told me what he's been saying.
The benefit of the doubt too many times. Just don't.
The guy is hellbent. These people are hellbent and sick. Nouw must have told me what he's been saying. Man, stay away from Wurld News. These people are crackheads and need some serious fucking help. Man, stay away from Wurld News. These people are crackheads and need some serious fucking help. Man, stay away from Wurld News. These people are crackheads and need some serious fucking help. Man, stay away from Wurld News. I haven't even talked to him. Nouw must have told me what he's been saying. Man, stay away from Wurld News.